Hi guys, in this video, I will show you how to install Bongo Cat plugin on OBS. To install this plugin, you want to come to Google and type Bongo Cat OBS Plugin and click on the first search. You can also find the link on the description below. Just go ahead and download it like this. Next, what you want to do is extract that to your OBS file location that is going to be on my C drive program file and OBS Studio. So as you can see now, we have Bongo Cat folder inside the OBS directory, and inside the Bongo Cat folder we have bin, data, and OBS plugins folders. Now just follow me. Go to bin, go to 64-bit, copy the Bongo Cat folder, go back to OBS Studio, go into bin, 64-bit, and paste it into here. Then come back to OBS Studio and find Bongo Cat again. Go into data, find OBS plugins, and find BongOBS Cat and copy. That now we will paste that to data instead. Last but not least, go into Bongo Cat, OBS plugins, 64-bit, and copy the BongOBS file. Go back to OBS Studio, OBS plugins, 64-bit, and paste it in here. Now let me show you guys how to use that on OBS. Right-click on Sources panel and add BongOBS Cat to your scene. From here, you will be able to customize it the way you want. There are different modes, as you can see. You can turn on relative mouse movement, so whenever you right or left click, it shows on screen. Hope you found this tutorial helpful, and see you next time.